Hey Warriors, welcome back to another Truthful Tuesday. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. So today we're focusing on 3 unexpected uses for sunflower seeds. But first, let's start. What are some of the benefits of eating sunflower seeds anyway? Sunflower seeds are an incredible source of vitamin E. They are great for anti-inflammatory properties and can also lower your risk of heart disease. They are also loaded with all the healthy kind of fats, so monosaturated, polysaturated. Those are the good fats. You want to keep those in your diet. Now, it's a full, long list that I'm not going to bore you with, but sunflower seeds, these little tiny things, are jam-packed with tons of vitamins and minerals, all ones that your body needs to balance and function properly. Last but not least, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds is 6 grams of protein and 2.3 grams of fiber. So if you're looking for a vegan option or a great snack alternative for post-workout, maybe I was onto something back in the softball days. They're an awesome post-workout, pre-workout protein source for you. Now that we know the benefits of sunflower seeds, how are we gonna start incorporating them into the foods that we're eating? Here are 3 unexpected ways that you can toss, pun intended, into your food. Let's start from the top. Toss them into your salad. Right? They can be great sprinkled on top. Instead of doing a crouton, add seeds. A sunflower seed on top is gonna add that protein, that fiber that's gonna keep you fuller longer and balances perfectly with greens. If you're a person who makes homemade breads, it's a nice crunch to add on top or on top of an oatmeal. Of course, good old smoothies, you can add sunflower seeds into the mix before you blend or after. Personally, I prefer a crunch, so I like to keep my seeds whole and just add them sprinkled on top of a smoothie when I'm having them. That also gives my body the idea that I'm chewing something. That's why I like to keep the nuts raw instead of blending everything. As I already mentioned, there are 6 grams of protein in 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. That's incredible option for a vegan source of protein. So any of the ideas above, you can add them into the mix. Of course, bring them along, snack on them for travel, have them in your bag. They're a fantastic, easy, portable, and tiny way that you can get nutrients, vitamins, protein, and fiber in a little seed. A bonus tip, eat sunflower seeds in Healthy Truth nut clusters and crunches. They're already sprouted, and we've gone over that in a previous Truthful Tuesday. So if you haven't seen it already, I'm gonna link it above for you to check out. The nut clusters, they have sprouted sunflower seeds within them. So they have a great flavor to them mixed in if you wanna have something a little bit different than just raw and plain. You'll find them mixed within the Healthy Truth crunches. Blueberry happens to be my absolute favorite. That wraps up another Truthful Tuesday. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. Stay tuned for another episode coming up soon. First things first, let's eat. I'm hungry now. The fountain of youth?
Of life.
¿De vida?
Yeah. A plant lives in the sea.
No es la verdad.
Antes de que rompa nada.
¿Todo?
Now it's mine. Now it's mine.